Struggling with debt can feel overwhelming, but what if I told you that turning your finances around is not only possible, but within your reach? In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from debtor to investor in just 5 simple steps. Step 1. Face the numbers. It's time to get clear on where you stand. Gather all your bills, debts, and expenses and lay them out in front of you. This might be uncomfortable, but it's a necessary first step. Understanding your financial situation is the foundation of any turnaround. Step 2. Create a budget. Now that you know where you are, it's time to plan where you're going. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about empowering yourself to make informed decisions. Allocate your income to cover essentials first, then prioritize paying off debt and building savings. Remember, every dollar has a job. Make sure it's working for you, not against you. Step 3. Pay down debt strategically. Focus on high-interest debts first, using the snowball or avalanche method. As you pay off each debt, your confidence and momentum will grow. Keep your eyes on the prize. Financial freedom is within your reach. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a cushion can prevent future debt. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This safety net not only gives you peace of mind, but also the freedom to invest without fear. Step 5. Start investing. Once your debts are under control and you've built a safety net, it's time to make your money work for you. Start simple. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs. The key is to start now, no matter how small the amount. Consistency is what will grow your wealth over time. You've taken the first steps to transform your financial future. Now it's time to commit to the journey. Remember, every investor starts somewhere. Today you've started your journey. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button and let's keep moving forward together. Your financial freedom is just around the corner.